Hi students, good morning. So today we are going to continue with solving our model question paper. And yesterday we have completed our part C. So today we are going with part D. Okay. Okay. So you can just see here, we have already completed part A, part B and part C. Now we can go for our part D, that is 5-mark problems. That is 5-mark problems. So quickly everyone can join the class so that we can begin the class and we can continue. Clear? And we are solving part D, and let us go through the problem number 1. Quickly all of you join the class and we can continue our problems, solving problem number 39. Okay. So see here, that is problem number 39. What we have to do, if f is an function from real numbers to real numbers, f is an function from real numbers to real numbers, f of x is given by 1 plus x square. F of x is given by 1 plus x square. Then show that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So here we have to show that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. So for not 1 1, we shall take x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1. Okay. So we can simplify. What will be f of minus 1? 1 plus minus 1 square, that is going to be equal to 2. On the same way, what is f of 1? F of 1 is also going to be 1 plus 1 square, that is also 2. Okay. So clearly you can see that clearly f of minus 1 is equal to f of plus 1, but minus 1 is not equal to plus 1. Therefore it is not 1 1. Okay. For not onto, you can just see, for not onto you can just see here, the range is going to be equal to only positive numbers, and codomain is complete real numbers. Therefore range is not equal to codomain. You can write it is not onto, but we can also write it as f of x equal to y. We can consider our given function where y is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay. So we can take f of x equal to y as our given function, which is our notation. So y equal to 1 plus x square. Now x square is equal to what? Y minus 1, and x will be equal to root of y minus 1. Clear? So see here, I will take y equal to minus 1, which belongs to real numbers, that is codomain. Okay. So now what happens, if I take y equal to minus 1, you can just see x will be equal to root of minus 1, that is root of minus 2. So clearly root of minus 2 not belongs to real numbers, that is domain, hence it is not onto, okay. So you can write like this, no problem. That is, for solving onto, you have to take f of x equal to y, where y is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to y minus 1, and x will be equal to root of y minus 1. And you can choose any negative real number from the codomain, and you can take, for example, I will take minus 1. So if I take y value as minus 1, it will be x equal to root of minus 2. Everyone knows that root of minus 2 is complex number. So therefore root of minus 2 not belongs to real numbers, that is domain, hence it is not onto. Okay. So if you want to write, you can also write range is not equal to codomain, therefore it is not onto. You can write that also, okay, where you can write range is not equal to codomain. You can write this also, and you can say that it is not onto. Clear? So you have two methods to solve it, no problem. You can go through any method, okay. Now we can go for problem number 40. Now we can go for problem number 40, that is a equal to. So have you everyone understood it? Problem number 39. All of you, have you understood problem number 39? Please tell me. So if you have understood problem number 39, we can go for problem number 40, and we can simplify the problem number 40. Quickly give me thumbs, smiles, so that we can go for problem number 40. So problem number 40 is A equal to matrix 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Okay. B equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. And C equal to 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. So we have to show that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay. So first we shall calculate A plus B. What will be A plus B? 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus of minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is, plus 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is A plus B. Now we have to calculate B minus C. So B minus C is 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 4 minus 0 will be 4. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is B minus C. Now you can just see that A plus B minus C. A plus of B minus C is equal to 4 plus of minus 1 is what? 3. 1 plus of minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is what? 0. Sorry, minus 1 plus 0 is what? Minus 1. We just say minus 1 plus 0 will be minus 1. So this is minus 1. Next you can see 9 plus 4 is 13. 2 plus of minus 1 is 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Plus 4, 0 is 4. Okay. So now we have to solve A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. So you just take it. This is A plus B minus C. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. So A plus B is 4. And you can just see A plus B minus C. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. So we are getting wrong thing here because this term must be 0, right? So but we are getting 4 minus 4 is 0. We must get 0 here. So if we get 0 here, this also must be 0. That is A plus B minus C. We just check B minus C is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So now A plus B minus C. This is okay. A plus B minus C. Sorry. We have done little bit mistake here. So this is A plus B minus C. We have calculated A plus B minus C. We have to calculate A plus B minus C. So just check this. We have to calculate A plus B minus C. A plus B, okay, A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so you just see this is A, this is B minus C. Okay, so now you can simplify that. A and minus 1, 1 plus of minus 1 is 0, 2 plus of minus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus of minus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, now we have to calculate A plus B minus C. You have to calculate A plus B minus C. So this is 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 of minus 1 means plus 1, plus 2. Okay, plus 2 minus 1 will be 1, 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, so you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is our required answer, that is LHS equal to RHS. Clear? So be very careful while solving. You have to be with some patience, because sometimes in solving the problems you may do wrong thing. So that's why be careful and solve it. Clear? So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood it, and you can also give big smiles if you are following the problem, and we can go for problem number 41. So this is on determinants. We have to find x, y and z. Solving the system of equations 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, and the second equation is x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, and 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. So here 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. So first let us write A matrix, that is 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So this is matrix A. Check 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so now we can go for B. What is B? 5, minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. Now you can take x. X is x, y, z. So we know that matrix X is equal to A inverse into B, and we know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first now we have to find adjoint of A. For that let us write C11 plus of. So before that you can find determinant of A. So determinant of A will be equal to 2 times of, this is plus 4, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1, here it will be plus 1, minus 3 times of 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, write minus sign, 3 into 1 is 3, so write 3. Next write plus 3 times of, it will be 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. So this will be 2 into 5 is 10, minus into minus plus, 3 into 5 is 15, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into 3 is 15. So here the answer is going to be 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So you also check once determinant value. Everyone once cross check the determinant value. Minus minus plus 4, minus 1, that is plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, minus 3 times of, this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 5 into plus, minus 3 is plus 15, minus 1 plus 6 into 3 will be 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is 40. Okay, very good. So now we can go for C11. This is plus 4 minus 1 minus into minus is plus 1. So this is 5. Next you can calculate C12, that is minus of 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, write minus sign, 3 into 1 is 3. So this will be minus 5, minus into minus is plus 5. Write C13, that will be plus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. So that will be 5. Now we can go for C21, that is minus of 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3, minus 3, minus into minus will be plus 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus into minus plus. So minus 6 plus 3 is 3, 3 into, okay, minus 3 into minus is plus 3. C22 plus of 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, write minus sign, 3 into 3 is 9. So this is minus 13. Okay. Now C23. Once check, cross check this, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Write minus sign, 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, minus 13. Okay, C23. Write minus sign. So here C23, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 into 3 is 9. So write minus 9, minus 9, minus 2, minus 11, plus 11. So cross check this C23. So that will be 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 3 into 3 will be 9, so that is minus 9. So minus 11, minus into minus is plus 11. All of you be careful, follow my cofactors and you also cross verify them. Sometimes there is a chances to get mistake. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. So this is 9. Now C32, that will be equal to minus of C32, 2 into 1 is 2, write minus sign. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2, write minus sign, 3 into 1 is 3. This is minus 1, minus into minus is plus 1. Next go for C33. C33 is 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 3 is 3. That is minus 7. So all of you once cross check this. If you all say all the cofactors are correct, then we can go forward, because if we get any wrong in cofactor, the problem is going to be completely wrong. Be careful while cofactors. So if I have done any mistake, correct it, and if all the cofactors are correct, we can go for solving the next steps. Clear? So all of you once cross verify them. If we get the wrong answer at the end, then it is very tough for everyone. Okay, because anyways problem is lengthy. Then if we get wrong answer at the last step, we will be losing our confidence. So that's why while solving matrices problems, be very careful. Okay, and my choice is don't solve matrices and determinants at first chance. Okay, you leave these 2 problems, solve other 7 and complete your answer writing all the questions. If you have time, come for this. Okay, so now we can write adjoint of A. Now we can write adjoint of A, that is, just see, the first row has to be written as the first column. So we have 5, 5, 5. Okay, so this will be 5, 5 and 5. Second row will be second column, 3 minus 13, 11. 3 minus 13, 11. Okay, and the third row will be third column, that is 9, 1, 7. 9, 1, minus 7. Okay, so now we got our adjoint of A. Now we got our adjoint of A. We can find X. that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. Clear? So here we shall write adjoint of A. Right here adjoint of A, that is 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1, 7, and B is, I think, 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. Now simplify this. 1 by determinant of A is 1 by 40. So now 5 into 5 is 25. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 9 into 3 is plus 27. Okay. So 25 minus 12 plus 27. 25 minus 12 plus 27. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 13 into minus 4. So that will be 13 into 4 is 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 1, 52 plus 52. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. So next you can check 5 into 5 is 25. 11 into minus 4 is 44. 1 into 3 is 3. So now we can simplify this and check the answers. Once you simplify this and check the answers. 25 plus 27. 25 plus 27, this is 12 and this is 52. Okay. 52 minus 12. 52 minus 12 is 40. So 40 by 40 is 1. 25 plus 52. 25 plus 52. This is 47. Sorry. 77. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 77 plus 3. 77 plus 3 is 88. So 40. So 25. 52. So this is 77 plus 3. 80. Not 88. 80. So for 80 by 40 is 2. Next 25 minus 44. So minus 44 plus 25. You can just see this is 9. And here minus 4 plus 3 is minus 19. Minus 19 plus 3. So this will be minus 16. So check the last row once again. Minus 44 plus 25. This is 14 minus 5, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. That is minus 19. Minus 19 plus 3. This is minus 16. So I think in the last row we have done some mistake. We shall check this. This is minus 7, right? So minus 7. Okay. So 5 into 5 is 25. 11 into minus 4 is 44. Minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. That is minus 21. Okay. So here we have minus 21. Clear? So here we have minus 21. So now 25 minus 21 is 4. Minus 44 means it will be minus 40. So minus 40 by 40 is minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. Clear? So therefore, these are your answers. Okay. X is 1, y is 2, z is minus 1. Clear? So here you have very more chances or very big chances to get wrong answers. So that's why be careful. And once you get the answer, you can use them in the equation. Okay. Once you get your answers, you got x, y and z. So you got x, y and z. Now you can use in the equation 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. You can use in the equations which are given, and if they get true, then your answer is right. So put in the 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. So put x value 1, y value 2, z value minus 1. It will be equal to 5. Okay. If your answer is right, you will get 5. If your answer is wrong, you will not get 5. Okay. So that you can verify. That you can verify in all three equations. In all three equations. Clear? Very good. Now we can quickly move for the next problem. So quickly tell me 41. Have you understood it? Give me thumbs. Quickly tell me 41th problem. Have you understood it? Give me thumbs. Please quickly give me thumbs. Have you understood this? So quickly give me the thumbs. If you have understood, then we can go for the next problem. Okay. So now we can move to problem number 41. We can move to problem number 41. Sorry, 41 is over. We can go to 42. We can go to problem number 42. Okay. So problem number 42 is what? Y equal to tan inverse x whole square. We have to prove that 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x 1 plus x square y1 equal to 2. We have to prove this. Okay. So now let us differentiate once. This will be dy by dx equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So here we have to use chain rule. First you differentiate the power, that will be 2 times of tan inverse x and differentiation of tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So that will be 2 times of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Take 1 plus x square on this side, it will be 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay. So now again we have to differentiate because we want second order derivative. So while differentiating, be careful, this is u, this is v. First I will write 1 plus x square as it is. I will differentiate dy by dx, it will be 2 d square y divided by dx square plus, here you can write dy by dx as it is. Differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. Okay, that will be equal to again differentiation of 2 divided by, so 2 into tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So now you multiply 1 plus x square to LHS, that will be 1 plus x square whole square d square y by dx square plus 2x into 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to 2. So check your required equation and that will be your required answer. Okay. So here y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Y1 is nothing but dy by dx. Okay. So I think we got our answer, that is 1 plus x square whole square d square y by dx square plus 2x 1 plus x square dy by dx equal to 2. Clear? So use chain rule. Don't write everywhere d by dx, d by dx, d by dx. Okay, by writing like that it will be simply lengthy and you will also get confused. Okay, so directly you differentiate by using chain rule and you go on simplifying. And here also you have to be very careful, u into v, product rule. So by applying product rule, 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into 2x equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so then again you multiply it to LHS, you will get your required answer. Give me smiles because we solved our differentiation problem very quickly. But for matrices and determinants, really it will take a time. So that's why again I tell, please be careful regarding matrices and determinants. Okay. Now let us go for problem number 33. Quickly give me the thumbs if you have understood differentiation problem. So let us go for problem number 43. That is, a car starts from, see here, there is a car. Let us take, this is our car. It starts from point P at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0 seconds and stops at point Q, Okay, here it stops. Clear? Okay, no problem. The distance x meters, in t seconds is given by t square 2 minus t by 3. Find the time taken to reach Q. So that means we have to find the time to reach Q, and also find the distance between PQ. Also we have to find the distance between PQ. Okay, no problem. So here first let us calculate rate of change of distance. Okay, dx by dt. So before calculating it, you just simplify. This is 2t square, 2 into t square, that is 2t square minus t cube by 3. Okay. So 2t square, if you simplify, 2t divided, okay. So if I differentiate it, if I differentiate 2t square, it will be 4t. If I differentiate 2t square, it will be 4t minus, if I differentiate this, it will be 3t square divided by 3, 3 will get cancelled. So dx by dt equal to 4t minus t square. Okay. So see here, if I differentiate this, it will be rate of change of displacement, which is equal to velocity. Okay. So velocity at rest position is 0 and velocity at the final position is also 0. I think you all know very good physics. The velocity at the rest position in the beginning, that is initial point, there also it is 0. Velocity at the final position, there also it is 0. Okay. So I can take velocity as 0 in the final position and I can calculate my t. Okay. So that is 4t minus t square. So if I simplify this, this will be t, 4 minus t. So t will be equal to 0 or t will be equal to 4. That means time taken is 4 seconds. Time taken is 4 seconds. Okay. Now let us find displacement. That is x is equal to, distance. X is equal to, you just see, this is 2 4 square minus 4 cube divided by 3. So x will be equal to 4 square is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 4 cube is 64. So 64 divided by 3. 64 divided by 3. Okay. So you just simplify, it is 96 minus 64. So 96 minus 64 is 32. Okay. So that is 32 by 3 meters. 32 by 3. They have given the distance in the form of meters. So this is meters. Okay. 32 by 3 meters. Clear? So because physics is a very good subject and very interesting subject. I also like physics very much, because in physics, theoretically you study the definitions, practically you do the laboratory work and you do the calculations. Okay. But comparing physics and maths will be only calculating subject, but physics will be practical oriented subject. So it is very, very interesting than mathematics. This is my opinion. Okay. I also like physics very much. No problem. It's left to their own choices. What about you all? You all like physics or maths? You me, all of you tell me, do you like maths or physics more? Which one you like more? Give me your opinion. On the same way, we can go for 44. Don't worry, what you like, you tell. Okay. If you like physics, you tell physics. If you like maths, you tell maths. Next, we can go for find the integral of 1 by x square plus a square, and hence evaluate the problem. So many of you tell maths and some of you tell physics, one of you tell both. Very good. Actually, without mathematics in physics you can't do anything. Without mathematics you can pass physics, but you can't do as much as you do maths. Okay. That means total the physics concepts depends on mathematics. The physics concepts depend on mathematics. Okay. That also you may know. Clear? Let it be. Now let us go for problem number 44. That is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. Quickly put x is equal to a tan theta. So dx will be equal to a secant square theta d theta. So now I can replace the terms. A secant square theta d theta divided by x is a tan theta, that means a square tan square theta plus a square. So now you can take a square as common, so that we can write a secant square theta d theta. So divided by a square is common, write a square, remaining term is tan square theta plus 1. A will get cancel, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta get cancels. This will be equal to 1 by a into d theta. Okay. So this will be theta by a plus c. So that you can see here x by a equal to tan theta, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of x by a. So therefore 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is your answer. Clear? Theta by a plus c is nothing but 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c will be your answer. Clear? Now very quickly we can move to evaluating the problem. So evaluating the problem, as I say here, the techniques are very important. Here the techniques are very important. So you must know this, how to simplify this algebraic term. And I think all of you know the techniques. If you know the techniques, please say me yes. Otherwise I will explain it. In the previous question paper also we have solved one problem. Definitely that technique is needed to everyone. So if you know that technique, please say me yes. If you don't know the technique, please tell me, I will explain it again. Okay. So I am waiting for your replies. Please tell me if you know the techniques. No problem, we can directly solve the problem so that you can understand it. If you don't know the technique, it is very tough to understand what I am doing here. So please give me answers in the comment box. Quickly tell me. So I am waiting for your answer. So as soon as you give your answers, we can go for our solution. Okay. So see here, you have x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay. Okay. So some of you are telling to explain. Let us see here. I will take one algebraic equation and let us do it. Okay. So you just see, if you have ax square bx plus c, how to solve? Whatever be the signs, don't worry. Plus, it may be plus, it may be minus, don't worry. Okay. So ax square plus bx plus c, like this you have. Clear? Now what we have to do, whatever be the x coefficient, you have to take it common. So if I take it common, what you are going to get? X square plus b by ax plus c by a you are going to get. Okay. Now what you have to do, let it be a no problem, you write as it is. See here, what is first term? X. Whatever be the sign, if it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. Are you getting my point? If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. So now here we have plus, I will write plus. The coefficient of x is b by a. This has to be divided by 2. So that will be nothing but what? B divided by 2a. Now for this we have to put square. Next, here whatever be the sign, it may be plus, it may be minus. Outside we should take minus. Whatever be the sign, either it may be plus or it may be minus, but outside we should take minus. And the term here has to be squared. B square minus 4a square. That means this also squared. Okay. Plus c by a. This is your technique. Okay. So whatever algebraic equation you may get, you have to do like this. For example, you just see, if I have 2x square plus 4x plus 3, like this I have. First what I have to do, I have to take 2 as common term. What you are going to get? X square plus 2x plus 3 by 2 you will get. Now what we have to do, write 2 as it is. Here you have x, write x. Whatever be the sign, you write that. What is x coefficient? 2, divide it by 2. So 2 by 2 will be 1. Put bracket, put square. Okay. So this term has to be squared and you have to take minus sign. Plus 3 by 2. Now you have to solve this. 2 times of x plus 1 whole square, 3 by 2, 2 minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. So plus 1 by 2. Like this you have to solve. Okay. So this is the technique to solve it. I think everyone understood it. If you don't understand, you follow this method. You try to solve some another equations. X square plus 6x plus 4. You can also solve x square minus 8x plus 1. You solve these equations. Okay. You solve 2x square minus 8x plus 5. You solve this also. So that you will get once practice. Okay. Now I can go for the problem. Clear? Okay. So now here what you have, x square plus 2x plus 2. So directly I will write now because you know the technique. So I can write it as x plus 1 whole square. So outside I will get minus 1 plus 2. So that will be plus 1 square. Okay. Now you can go through that technique and you can understand this problem. So I have written it directly, no problem. Now you can solve it. So integration of dx divided by x square, x plus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 by a means a value is 1, no problem. Tan inverse of x by a, that is x plus 1 divided by a is 1 plus c. This is your answer. Okay. So quickly tell me everyone, we can go for the next problem, that is 45. So 45 already we have solved it in the previous model question paper also. And now also we can solve it here, no problem. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. You can write it as y by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square by b square will be equal to a square minus x square divided by a square. So now y square will be equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So y is going to be equal to b by a root of a square minus x square. Okay. So here we have to find the area bounded by the ellipse. From 0 to this term, that is x equal to ae on both sides. So that will be 2 times. Required area will be equal to 2 times from 0 to ae and our function is b by a root of a square minus x square with respect to dx. So here this is going to be 2 times of b by a. Formula is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus sine inverse of, a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. A square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a plus, okay, not plus c because here limits are 0 to ae. Okay. So now lower limit is 0. Don't forget it because 0 into this term is 0. Sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. So don't worry about lower term. So just take upper limit. That will be 2b by a. Upper limit is ae by 2 root of a square e square minus a square minus a square e square. A square minus a square minus a square e square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of ae by a. Lower limit is 0. Okay. So now here you just see 2b by a. Here you can take a square term common. If it comes out of root, it will be a. A into a is a square by 2 into e. 1 minus e square. plus a square by 2. A will get cancelled. This will be sine inverse of E. So now a square by 2 is common. You take it outside. 2 will get cancelled. A will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. A will get cancelled. AB into, this will be E into root of 1 minus E square plus sine inverse of E. This is your answer. Okay. AB times of E into root of 1 minus E square plus sine inverse of E. Don't worry about the lower limit because it is 0. The complete term becomes 0. So don't worry about that. You just put upper limit and simplify. You will get the answer. Okay. Quickly we can go for problem number 46. Quickly we can go for problem number 46. That is, find the general solution of x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. So quickly all of you give me smiles. Be active. Be active. Give me smiles. Keep chatting. Okay. Keep chatting. If you understand, please tell me yes. If you are not following, please tell me you are not following. And don't be silent. Okay. Here understanding the concepts is very, very important. So that's why please keep chatting. Clear? Okay. So now dividing both side by x, that will be dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to, if divide by x, it is x log x. Okay. So now I can say p value is 2 by x, q value is x into log x, and this is linear differential equation. Okay. Now if will be equal to e to the power of integration of 2 by x into dx. So that will be e to the power of 2 log x. That I can write it as e to the power of log x square. So output will be x square. Output will be x square. Okay. So now y into if, that is y into x square, equal to integration of q into if, that is x into log x into x square with respect to dx plus c. Okay. So now y into x square, this will be x into x square into x is x cube log x with respect to dx plus c. So now I have to apply Eilert rule. Please remember Eilert rule, algebraic, and this is logarithmic. Logarithmic is first function, algebraic is second function. This is first function, this is second function. So therefore y into x square log x, I will write as it is. Integration of x cube is what? X to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus integration of this term I have to write as it is, x to the power of 4 divided by 4. For this also I have made one separate video and I have explained it. So you can watch it on my YouTube channel. That is the tricks of solving by parts. By parts I have made one video. You can watch it. Okay. Multiplied with differentiation of log x is 1 by x with respect to dx. You can cancel x and x. So y into x square log x, x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus this is x cube divided by 12 plus c, x cube divided by 12 plus c. Okay. Therefore this is our answer. Y x square log x, x raised to 4 by 4, x cube divided by 12. So here you can just see this will be x cube. So if I integrate x cube, this will be x cube means it will be 4. Okay. Sorry for that. X will get cancelled. X cube, x to the power of 4 divided by 4 means 16. X to the power of 4 divided by 16 will be the answer. Clear? So here you just check it. You got x to the power of 3. Integration of x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 4. So that will be x to the power of 4 divided by 16. X to the power of 4 divided by 16 plus c. So this will be your required answer. Okay. So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this. Quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this, so that we can go for the next problem. And here you must know integration by parts. Integration by parts. Tricks, integration by parts. Solving the problems of integration by parts. Either you may also remember the formula of integration of by parts, so that you will get the same answer. I think all of you know the integration by parts tricks. Okay. So that's why I say please watch the videos regularly. Clear? Okay. Let us go for problem number 47. That is, derive the equation of line in space passing through the given point and parallel to given vector both in vector and Cartesian form. Very simple theorem. They have asked on vector and Cartesian equation of line. Vector and Cartesian equation of line. Clear? So let us take x-axis, y-axis and z-axis and choose one line. This is origin, and here the line is passing through the point A. Here the line is passing through the point A and parallel to one of the line, let us take it as vector B. Now join O to A and join O to P. Okay. So this is point A. Clear? Join O to A and join O to P. OA vector is position vector of point A. Clear? I will take this as vector A. I will take this as vector R. So now clearly you can see that vector AP is equal to lambda times of vector B. Take this as equation 1 because vector AP is parallel to vector B. So if it is parallel, then we know that one of the vector can be written as scalar multiple of the another vector. One of the vector can be written as scalar multiple of the another vector. Okay. So now this can be written as OP minus OA equal to lambda times of vector B. OP is vector R, OA is vector A equal to lambda times of B. So now vector R will be equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B. This is second equation, that is vector form. Okay. In Cartesian form, vector R can be written as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Vector A can be written as x1 cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Vector B you can write it as ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. This is because it is a given vector, so a, b, c will be the coefficients of I, j, k. So therefore you take capital A, capital B, capital C. Now you can write this as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap equal to x1 cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda times of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now take x1, y1, z1 on LHS. That will be x minus x1 cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap. Okay, equal to lambda times of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now you can compare component wise. So if I compare component wise, it will be x minus x1 equal to lambda times of A, y minus y1 equal to lambda times of B, z minus z1 equal to lambda times of C. Okay. So now that will be equal to x minus x1 by A equal to lambda, y minus y1 by B equal to lambda, z minus z1 by C equal to lambda. So now you can write this as x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C. Okay. So because of shortage of space, I have adjusted here and there so that you can understand it, no problem. So once you understand it, anyways, theorems are very simple in the vectors, in the vectors, and this is z-axis. Okay, x, y and z. Clear? Okay. So quickly tell me all of you. Theorem is very simple. You just remember AP equal to lambda times of B. So from that you can write the complete theorem. So many times I have said, please remember some tricks for all theorems. I said You remember AP equal to lambda times of B for this particular theorem. If you remember that, you can write everything. Okay, give me thumbs if you have understood this. Please quickly give me thumbs so that we can go for our last problem, that is 48. Let us go for 48. Two balls are drawn at random. Two balls are drawn at random from a box containing 10 black balls, 10 black balls and 8 red balls. 10 black balls and 8 red balls. Okay. So now you can just see total balls equal to 10 plus 8, that is 18. Okay. Now what we have to find the probability of both are red. Okay. So first we shall find probability of black ball, that is probability of B. 10 divided by 18. Okay. Next we shall find probability of red ball, that is P of R, that is 8 by 18. Okay. So now from this you got probability of black ball, probability of red ball. Clear? So now you can just see both are red, that is event A. Both are red. Here this is independent event. So I has to calculate P of A intersection A. That will be P of A into P of A, because here both the events are independent events. So that's why P of A into P of A, that will be 8 by 18 into 8 by 18, that is 2 into 4, 2 into 9, 2 into 4, 2 into 9, that is 16 by 81. This is A. And you can go for B, that is first ball is red. You can take this as B. First ball is red. First ball is red and second ball, first ball is black and second ball is red. First ball is black and second ball is red. First ball is black and the second ball is red. Okay. First ball is black and the second ball is red. So from this what we get? To just see, we have to take first ball is black means P of B into second ball is red means P of R. P of R. Okay. So P of B is 10 by 18 and multiplied with 8 by 18, because both are independent events. So this is nothing but P of B intersection R. Okay. First ball is black, second ball is red. So therefore 10 by 8 into 8 by 18, that is 2 into 5, 2 into 9, 2 into 4, 2 into 9. So that will be 20 by 81. And second, C, you can see what is C? One of them is black, another one is red. That means you can just see here, one of them is black, another one is red. That means first it can be black, next it can be red. Plus first it can be red, next it can be black. So you have to solve these cases. That means probability of B intersection R plus probability of R intersection B. So that is going to be equal to probability of B intersection R is probability of B into probability of R plus probability of R into probability of B. So both are same. That will be 2 times of probability of B into probability of R. So already you have solved here, that is probability of B into R is 20 by 81. So you simplify that, the answer is going to be equal to 40 by 81. Answer will be equal to 40 by 81. Okay. So we successfully completed part D of model paper 2. Quickly tell me, all of you, are you interested or not in this type of solving the videos, solving the model question papers? I feel that these things are going to be very, very useful for all of you. So that's why I am doing this model papers. So still, if you have any confusions in any concept, any problem, and there will be some concepts which you can't understand easily, so that you can give me in the comment box now itself. So I will see that who are giving which concept, so that on that I can decide. Whenever I am solving the problems, I will go in depth of explanation. I will go in depth of explanation whenever I am solving that problem. So you can just tell me the chapter, so the problems on which chapter you are facing difficulties. Chapter on which problems on which chapter you are facing the problems, so that I will also get idea and I can go in depth of solving them. Okay, so I can explain in depth, because I know some of you may get confusion, or some of you may face problems in some chapters. So if you tell that, I will explain them in detail. I will explain them in detail. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes. So in that, please tell me. After that, we can wind up this. So quickly tell me, all of you. But really, I am enjoying this type of sessions very much. Okay, vectors, okay, no problem. Mallikarjun is telling vectors, no problem. I can explain vectors in depth whenever I am solving it. So whenever I will be solving the problem, you can tell me that, sir, you go in more detail of explanation of this particular problem. So I will go through that. Clear? Okay. So probability chapter, Guru is telling probability chapter, okay. What about others? Okay. So I will wind up this, and we can meet in the evening 7 p.m. and we can solve our part E. In the evening, I will solve part E. 49, question number 49 and question number 50. Question number 49 and question number 50. Take care everyone. Bye. See you in the